Hi, a few days ago I went out and did a little shopping, getting things ready to move my boat and to work on the trailer. And you probably saw some of these tools, but I want to go through, so I guess we'll call this an unboxing. And I got some pretty cool stuff I'm excited about. So the first one, okay, is kind of simple. I bought this little four-way to be able to take the tires off of my boat. Now they make this one and they make one a little bit bigger, but boat tires are small, so I wanted to get a smaller one so it wouldn't drive me crazy. Get it? Okay, anyway. So that was the first tool. The second thing I got was, oh boy, these jacks to jack up the boat. So let me go ahead and open this up here. See if I can maybe get this a little further. You'll be able to see the top of the box. And yes, I already have one because I bought two sets, so here's one of them already opened. And there goes part of it. So let's go ahead and open this up. Oh, it's like Christmas. I don't know why I say it's like Christmas. When I open it, I kind of know what's going to be in there. If I opened it up and it'd be a fishing pole, I'd be, oh, this is Christmas. But then I have to return it because it was a fishing pole. So inside here, starting out, you got one of these. The thing is, I got this at Walmart. Honestly, I don't remember the price right now. If I find it between now and the time the video's down, I'll post it about here. But I will tell you, pretty much everything I got, the cheapest place I found it, or the least expensive place I found it, was at Walmart. I checked all kinds of places before I got it. And it comes with one and two of them. Matter of fact, most of the places I checked, it was the same cost for one of these as I paid for two of them. All right, so let's see, we'll get that down here. I have two of them. I'll just, the way you want to do this is this goes in here. You can see there's there's a side where the latch goes here. See the little latch? That goes in there, lower it down, and as you get it where you want, see this kind of locks it in place. Now, every place I went had these with just the metal on it, but I'm going to be using this for when I'm ready to flip my boat. I'm going to jack up the boat, and I'm going to have the, where the hands are on here, and I don't want to scratch it. So I went out and got these little Daytona two-piece jack stand pads. Okay, now I got these at Harbor Freight. Harbor Freight. That's the only place I found these. Walmart didn't have them. Home Depot, any place I checked, didn't have them. I didn't even know they existed. Kind of steep. They were $10 for two, so $5 each. I guess really if you look at it, how much each there. But then again, when you're the only one that has them, you don't worry about how steep it is, right? Oh, look at that. I'm going to cut right through my leg if I'm not careful. And let's see, there's no instructions with it. So how do you put them on? It comes with actually two of them. So it looks like, this is kind of technical, okay? It looks like it slips right over and there, it's on. So the nice thing about it is you have the rubber part, so it's going to hold it and it's not going to scratch the boat. So there's that one. And this one here. Again, remember, a very intricate piece of machinery. Okay. There we go. Does not come with the hand. All right. Now when I first got this, I didn't know what these jack stands were. I never used them. I was in the store trying to, why is it not going up? I thought it was supposed to jack them. But no, you need to jack up the boat on your own and then bring this to the height you want and it locks into place. Once you understand what the tool's supposed to do, kidneys, you finally figure it out. So I actually bought 4 of these. So there's 1, 2, saw the other one there, 3. And the 4th one is over here. That one doesn't have the pad on it. And I can't put the pad on it because I just dropped it way over there. So I'll get that one later. So there's 4 of those. But I can't put this in here. There we go. So that will make it great for me to lift the boat. Now, I still need a jack. Okay, so this is another whole story, okay? Here's the jack I bought. The Hyper Tough 2-ton. Okay, it's a 2-ton trolley jack. I believe it was $39. If it's not right, I'll put that above. $39, 2-ton. I bought one already. This is a great little thing, but I had a small problem with the one I got, which I'll tell you in a second. How do I... Okay, this has to be cut there. And silly problem. Hyper Tough should know about this so you don't lose money like you did with me. Let's see, let's get this out of here. Okay, give me a hard time, huh? Come on, Max. There we go. Okay, so let's move this back a little bit more. Comes with a little handle. I didn't put that one on the last one. I'm glad I didn't. And it actually fits in here really nice. And this one comes with instructions. Now the problem I had with the last one is when I started jacking it up, you can see there's a couple little pieces of metal that hold it together. And over here, I don't know if you can see in here, right in here, see where my finger is? There's a little, like a washer, like a lock washer, that stops this piece of metal from falling off. Well, the other one I had, that just slipped off. And I started jacking up and there was this piece of metal just kind of like hanging like this. I said, what's that all about? And I looked and the lock washer was missing. I mean, those things go for what? A penny? But because of that, I had to return it as defective because I couldn't get it back on. Now, yeah, I probably could have went and bought a lock washer, but I don't know what size and what kind. And matter of fact, there must be some kind of a dimple here in the middle to hold it on, but didn't see anything. So it probably was defective. But I did use it until I figured out what was wrong, and it actually worked great. But if you know, half of it falls apart when you're using it, you know, what if you have a boat on it or something? So let me show you how this works. Okay. Now I'm going to have to unscrew this and this, and that'll be a handle. That's nice because it makes it really hard to carry it without it. So that's where the handle goes. And over here on this end, okay, there is, this is where this goes in to pump it, but if you just pump it up, it's not going to go right away. There's this other thing right over here, and this has to turn to the right or left, and if you hold that on there, you can turn it to the right or left. There, turn it to the right. Now I slip this in here, and somehow, magically it goes up, and your car will go up in the air. Let's make sure it's going up. There we go. I've been working on the railroad. Okay, so once you get it up to the height you want, take it out here, put it back on. Now watch this when I turn it. Okay, you turn it, boom, it goes right back down. That's how you release it. So, this little baby is cool. It's going to work great. It's just what I need to be able to lift the boat. Just the right size. So it's a nifty little tool, and it's by Hyper Tough, and I believe that's the same company as the other ones there. No, this is Blackjack, and both of these, Hyper Tough and Blackjack, both came from Walmart. It's amazing what you can get. It's actually a nice quality thing. Again, I checked these out at other stores, and they were a lot more expensive, like probably double for the same thing, for just a 2-ton trolley jack. So if you need a jack and you need stands, Wally's the place to go. So with that, I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye now.